Hey, what's going on, everyone? Did I find the next big buy signal in Apple stock? What do you guys think? Because the price over the last couple of days has been trending down. Hopefully we can find some buyers to hint to us that the market wants to go higher, because that's the current price prediction I got on my chart. I'm looking for the market to go higher in price in Apple stock. And so far, we only had that one opportunity to grab that profit right here on this particular day, August the 29th. I was telling you all that this area was a sell zone, and that is where the market topped out. And since then, price has been going lower. All right, so let's talk about this real quick. Now, before I do, if you guys appreciate my videos, my content, the information that I'm delivering to you every day, then make sure you guys hit me up, follow me to get more of this content. That simply means share, like, subscribe, do those things that everyone else wants you to do. But in this particular situation, you want to do it because you really see some value in the information that I'm delivering here on this platform. All right, so look at this though. Our price prediction is still apparent, is still valid, but I noticed that after we hit that sell zone up here on August the 29th, okay, let me show you. That would have garnered us around 2.25%. Chip a little bit off the table. That's all. Just take a little bit off the table, because the market moved to a location that we talked about. Take it away, because there's no guarantee now that Apple will continue to go higher. Maybe, maybe not. Let me show you something that I saw on a different time frame. Look at this on the 330-minute chart. Okay. Now, I'm here to tell you, okay, that somebody, I don't know who, we can all conjecture, guess who this individual or entity is, but somebody is buying Apple stock. Can you see it off this chart? If you can't, don't worry about it, because I got you. The buyer or buyers that's coming into the market and buying Apple is right here. Okay, that's where they're at. Now, that is a good signal to tell us that this market may not be overly bearish. Okay, and the reason why I say is buyers is because this volume is monumental, huge. It stands out at us. But the market in Apple, look at the price. What happened to the price after that volume was delivered? It stopped going down. In fact, it went up. Look at the next high volume bar. It came right back into that zone, and the market bounced. And we're starting out on this current 330-minute price bar, hitting that same zone again. Wow. Do you guys think Warren Buffett is buying this stock? Somebody is buying it right there. Now, does it mean that this is the, in fact, bottom? No, we can just tell that someone thinks that Apple trading at $216, $217 is relatively cheap. They're seeing value of Apple at that price. Okay, that's all I'm saying. Here it is on the 5-hour chart, a little bit better. We can even see the signal triggered off of our software that the market currently is a buy. Okay. 7-hour chart. This is emphatic weakness right there. But you expect price to go down following this price bar, but it didn't. So like I said, buyers are hitting the market right now in Apple. So we may see another small pause to seeing price go up in Apple, which is a good thing for us, especially in our price prediction. Now, this is Apple on the 2-day chart. Look at this volume over the last 2 days. Look at all that volume over the last 2 days. And you're trying to tell me this high volume was only able to garner that very small price spread? Is that what you're trying to tell me? Again, it shows us, it's another signal to tell us that somebody's here buying Apple. Is that just coincidence? No. Because right here was another time that we saw people, businesses, entity trying to buy Apple. See that? All you got to do is break it down and see the market for what it really is. People are actually transacting. Like, we have actual businesses, individuals saying, look, I want to buy Apple at this price, or I want to sell Apple at this price. And it gives us hints. So we may see a small move higher in Apple. But let's not forget, we got that weakness there on the 2. We got it here on the 3. So like, I don't want us to be oblivious. I don't want us to be ignorant. I don't want us to act like we don't know that we are also seeing weakness signals in Apple as well. Okay. So I will have to tell you right now, it is important for us to maintain seeing the buyers right now. Okay. Because we already saw sellers hit the sell zone. We got another signal of a sell on the next 3-day price bar. And now we're getting that confirmation of that weakness in Apple. Okay. And that is the completed 3-day bar. So it's kind of like a war still going on, being battled between the buyers and the sellers. That's going on right now. Okay. Here it is on the 5. So I'm just here to tell you right now, I'm not saying that it's going to happen. I'm not saying that it's going to stand, but we don't want to see the market break below this buy zone. If it does, we got another area that we talked about that we don't want to see the market buyers break. But if we see price in Apple break this buy zone here, like we're coming down now, right? We're getting in a small support area. And if we break this and we hold for a couple of days on this buy zone, but if we break that on weakness, yeah, we got to let it go. If we break this buy zone on weakness, we got to let it go. Okay. So I'm definitely going to be paying attention over the next couple of days to see if these buyers remain active. If so, we're going to continue to go forward this price prediction of looking for Apple to go up. If it doesn't, if those buyers don't hold price, then understand we may need to reevaluate the situation, because it's not going to be looking good. It's not going to be looking good. All right, so I'm just going to leave it right there. But you have your own situation. You have your own analysis, your own thinking processes as to what you think is about to go down. I think the market is trying to hold price. But again, sellers on the longer term charts definitely is showing their hands though. All right, so let's see what happens. Give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain profit, and as always, trade different.